I had to get on here and tell you guys about these because these right here, these are single-handedly saving my life. Okay, I am so glad that I bought these little babies on Amazon. I had no clue that they were going to do the job that they do. Okay, these block out 45 decibels. And I put them to the test because I also bought a pair that block out, well, they said that they block out 50 decibels. But these babies right here, they work better than the other brand that I bought, which was more money than these. And then not only that, when I bought these, they came 2 in a pack. And they came with extra these little things to make sure that it sticks in your ear correctly and that you really are blocking out everything. It comes with different sizes because we all do not have the same ear sizes. Our canals are different here, okay? So they give you a wide variety of sizes so that they fit. Trust me on this one when I tell you, especially those of you who have seen my other video that I made where I needed to soundproof my room to block out the noise of my neighbors. Y'all, you don't need to soundproof nothing with these, okay? This is your soundproof right here, okay? I am somebody who is very, I don't know what the word is for it, but I am very sensitive to sound. And I'm so thankful that I do now live in a space where my neighbors are not the issue. But what my issue is the fact that I live on a busy street. Now, when I first moved here, the way that my landlord, he actually constructed this whole building. So he paid attention to detail. And I feel like that's probably the reason why I really don't hear my neighbors like that. But one of the details is the sound blocking of the windows, okay? The blocking of the sound with the windows is great. It's great. It's great. Especially when I first moved here. But now that I've been here for a little while, I have adapted to the sound level. So even though it blocks off sound, which it really does help with blocking off the sound of the street, especially since my bedroom is where the main street is and I live on a main street. So it does do a good job of blocking out that sound. But y'all, there is a bar down the corner on my street that sometimes at nighttime gets absolutely ridiculous, okay? I mean, the loudest car thumps of bass that you can possibly imagine. And it drives me up the wall. The sound is not that high, but something about the bass, it permeates through everything, okay? And I needed a remedy so that I could lower the vibration of the bass that seeps through everything. And these right here, these babies right here, they work, okay? Not only do I not hear anything when I wear these, I do not hear a bus going down the street. I do not hear anything going on outside, okay? Anything outside the walls where my windows are, I don't hear none of that. But the crazy thing about it, which is mind-blowing to me, is that when I have these on, if I'm in my bedroom, I have these on and I have my TV on, I can still hear my TV, but I can't hear anything else. Okay, these, I don't know what they did with these. And at the time when I bought them for $12.99, okay? They were on sale on Amazon and they had a coupon. Your girl got these for $12.99. And not only did I get them for $12.99, they came with a second pair. Now, I gave my second pair to my girlfriend when we was on a trip. So, you know, you go places when you're on a trip, you don't know what type of sounds you're gonna hear. So I had bought these and my extra pair, and I gave my extra pair to her so that anytime she goes on a trip, she has a nice pair of good quality earplugs that block out the sound. But I still needed these bad boys for home, and I think I'm going to get another pair because they do come in different colors. I'm going to get another pair just because I want a backup, okay? I want to back up. I also want to be able to leave these home and take me a little travel pack of these. Oh, and let me show you how the little case looks. Let me show you how the case looks. The case is cute. It's so cute. It's so dainty and cute. You put these right in here. You could clip them on your keys. You can slip them anywhere. I also use these while I'm in the airplane so that I don't hear the airplane sound. And y'all, I don't know if you're like me, but to hear a crying baby on an airplane, the frustration that sound causes, this will cure it, okay? This will cure it. This little pack that's easy to put anywhere in your pocket, get on the plane, put these bad boys on, you won't hear the baby crying. You won't hear the baby crying, okay? Trust me on this one when I tell you. So, anybody who has seen my video previously where I was talking about soundproofing, you're still having problems in that department, I suggest you get these and it'll soundproof everything for you, okay? Yeah, I'm going to put the link to these in my bio. I just wanted to tell you about them because your girl had to use them last night. It's been unseasonably hot and warm in November in Philadelphia, which means the riffraffs were out, which means they were gallivanting in front of the bar down the street. And I needed to block out that sound. And as soon as I put these in, I didn't hear anything. So I wanted to pass this on to you to bless you with the ability to live in peace and quiet, okay? They're in my bio. Get it. Go get it now. You need it. You need it. You need it. And I will see you on the next one. Again, my name is Nostalgia, and I'm a woman of many niches. Peace.
Good.